Welcome back everyone and good morning. Today let us talk about indices. Now we are going to discuss a question, and the question reads, find the value of x if, so we have 1 over 8 raised to 2x minus 9 is equal to 4 raised to negative 3 over 2x. So we want to determine the value of x here. Now before we get to that, I want us to recall that given a number 1 over a raised to n, this can also be expressed as a raised to negative n. So a raised to negative n implies the reciprocal of a raised to n. So here we have 1 over 8. I want us to apply this so that inside the bracket we will have 8 power negative 1. Remember, here is 8 power 1, 8 power 1, and then we are getting its reciprocal, so we have 8 power negative 1, and then the whole of this is raised to 2x minus 9. For the right hand side we have 4 raised to negative 3 over 2x. Again, we are going to have to express 8 to base 2, and that is 2 power 3. So 8 is 2 power 3, and then because 8 is raised to power negative 1, this becomes negative 3. Remember, we have 2 power 3 raised to negative 1. That is inside this bracket still. So 3 multiplies negative 1, so that we have 2 power negative 3. And then the whole of this is raised to 2x minus 9. And on the right hand side we express 4 again to base 2, so that we have 2 squared, and then all this is raised to power negative 3 over 2. Okay, at this point, here is x. At this point we are going to apply the law of indices, where if you have a raised to m and then you raise it further to n, then this should be equivalent to a raised to m times n. So this means you multiply the powers. So that's what we have here. So we're going to multiply negative 3 by the whole of this power. So this is treated as a single expression. So we multiply the whole of this by negative 3, so that we have 2 power negative 3 times 2x, that is negative 6x, and then negative 3 by negative 9, that is positive 27. And then on the right hand side, applying the same, we have 2 times negative 3 over 2x. That should give us negative 3x. So we have 2 raised to negative 3x. Because the bases are equal and we are equating, we can equally equate the powers. So we are going to drop the bases and equate the powers. So we have negative 6x plus 27 is equal to negative 3x. Well, we can make negative 6x to cross, so that we have 27 is equal to 6x minus 3x, and that is 27 is equal to 3x. You can therefore get x by dividing both sides by 3. So x becomes 9. And that is how we go about this problem. I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you again for staying with me up to this end. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.